Hi everyone, Scott Schwager back with another Tuesday tax tip. Last week we talked again about the American Rescue Plan, detailing some updated information on the premium tax credit changes and the unemployment exclusion. This week we're sticking with the American Rescue Plan yet again for a quick update. But before we dig back into it, there has been another mid-tax season change. The IRS has, for the second straight year, pushed back tax day. So, how much time do we have to procrastinate? Well, it's about a month. The new due date is May 17th. It would have been May 15th, and many tax pros thought it was going to be May 15th, but that would have been a Saturday. This is going to be an automatic extension for individuals. So if you're a C Corp or some other type of entity, sorry, you're out of luck here. You're stuck with your original due date. Also, if you have estimated tax payments for the 2021 tax season, which are due on April 15th, again, those are still on. Those haven't moved. Original due date. Sorry. Only individual returns and the related payments are pushed back here. That means if you haven't filed your 2020 tax return, you have until May 17th. And if you owe taxes on your 2020 tax return, even if you've already filed it and just haven't gotten around to paying it, you have until May 17th to make the payment to avoid penalties and interest. While this 1 month-ish extension is automatic for people, you can still go ahead and file a regular extension if you need. This will give you until October 15th to file your return. But note that a traditional extension is an extension to file. It's not an extension to pay. Your taxes still due by May 17th in order to avoid penalties and interest. Special note for Wisconsin residents, we are following the federal's lead and we are pushing back our due dates as well. So, yay. On to the American Rescue Plan. Last week, we talked about people who hadn't yet filed and what they should do or look out for. But what if you did file? And what if you did have to pay back an excess advance of the premium tax credit, or your unemployment was included in your taxable income? What do you do now? I haven't heard anything, no official word on the premium tax credit issue. So hold off on filing those amended returns for now still. Pretend you're a Reddit GameStop shareholder and diamond hands, baby. For unemployment, the IRS has indicated that it will refigure the taxes and adjust returns for taxpayers accordingly. They will then send any refunds or additional refunds as needed. The IRS has not put out an official timeline for this, so we're not really sure when they're going to be making adjustments or issuing the refunds. But it's likely that this is going to be quicker than filing an amended return, as the IRS is so far behind in processing anything on paper. Plus, the IRS has actually come out and asked not to have amended returns filed for this issue. So, it bears saying again, patience is key here. Obviously, how this tip will impact you depends on your particular set of facts and circumstances, like if you had premium tax credit repayment, if you had unemployment, what your taxable income level ultimately was, and whether or not you filed and or paid your return yet, just to name a few. If you have a question on a specific issue, please reach out to your tax advisor. Feel free to contact me, and I will do my best to help you. Thanks so much for watching, and please join me next week for another Tuesday tax tip.